So we've discussed about the 3 C's, that is the connection, consistency, and commitment. We've already discussed connection and consistent. So let's discuss about commitment. As a farmer, it's very key for you to be committed. And commitment comes into focus as to why you started farming. Did you start farming because of a passion? Did you start farming because it's your retirement package? Did you start farming because you need to feed your family, to have an income on the side? Is it a side hustle that you're passionate about? And this commitment will ensure that you keep going. Even though we'll have challenges in and out, even though we plan for seasons, the drought comes and hits us, then it is the commitment that will ensure that we persist and we keep coming back and we keep growing our crops. That passion, that commitment is what we are calling the third C, and that is what will ensure that you are able to wake up in the morning and go to the farm even though it is very dry. Like right now, it's very dry in my area, and that's why you can see me seated here under the roof for me to do these videos, because the sun is scorching. We've had a very long period on drought, or a long season without rains, and this is the time that we are preparing for our rains, that is in December, and we are having some rains, and we can see the weather changes. So this commitment is what will ensure that you wake up in the morning and you're passionate about coming back to do something about the crop. And also, please, I would like to emphasize that do not rely on rains. I know we will discuss about this in other videos, but it is not, as a farmer, if you're relying on rain and the rains don't come, and maybe you're relying on just growing crops, you're not even looking at other farming methods that you can do, please change your ways. And more so if this is like a sustainable hustle that you want to do on a daily basis. And I'm going to guide you. I'm going to do other videos on other sources of income that you can do, because we cannot just sit and wait for rain. And today I'm going to stop there. We've discussed about the 3 C's of farming: commitment, consistent, connection. Let me know on the comment section what you think about the 3 C's. Let me know any other areas that you'd like us to discuss in our upcoming videos. But please subscribe, put that notification bell on, because I'm going to teach you ways, new areas that I've seen that we are lacking. For example, budgeting. As a farmer, we are lacking that different sources of income. As a farmer, we are lacking adaptability, ensuring that we have that income coming. We need to look at ways, what are some of those income generating activities that a farmer can do as we wait for the rains. And if this is your first time tuning in into this channel, thank you so much. Please subscribe, put your notification bell on, and let me see you in our next video. Bye for now. Where?